Chitkara University's Business Management College has received an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5 and a rating of 4.4 stars specifically for its MBA program by students on Shiksha.com. How good is Chitkara Business School for an MBA? Let's find out, starting with placements, which has received a 4.3 rating. As per reports, during the 2023-24 placements, over 275 companies visited the campus, extending more than 145 PPOs with more than 35 international offers. Names like Adobe, EY, Deloitte, Google, Adani, Decathlon, Coca-Cola, KFC, McDonald's, and Flipkart were seen. Roles offered were that of healthcare consultant, research analyst, e-commerce manager, and SCM operations manager. The highest salary package of 44 lakh per annum was the highlight, whereas the median salary settled at a respectable 10.5 lakh per annum. From a comparative POV, Chitkara Business School surpasses School of Management, BML Munjal University in terms of the median salary offerings. The college's placement cell ensures that students receive thorough internship training starting from the third semester onwards to prepare them for the industry. Around 85% of the students complete internships with top MNCs and startups such as Paytm, Amul and Antal, securing data science, operations, analyst and many more roles. Additionally, students also have the opportunity to apply for overseas internships as part of the curriculum. Talking about the MBA course structure, a total of 10 specializations are offered, including some of the latest in-demand specializations such as data science and AI. Interestingly, students can go for semester exchange program, summer school, and can even complete their second year of MBA in one of the international universities or B schools which have tie-ups with Chitkara Business School. Students with a minimum of 50% marks in their bachelor's degree are eligible to apply. The selection process is purely based on merit ranking in one of the several entrance exams accepted here, followed by group discussions and personal interview rounds. Students opting for direct admission must clear the Chitkara University test, followed by group discussions and interviews. The total fees for the 2-year MBA ranges between 3 lakhs to 7.8 lakhs, exempting the hostel fees and miscellaneous charges. The hostel fee ranges between 1.64 lakhs to 2.07 lakhs for 2 years, which can take the total cost up to 9.87 lakhs, that if matched with the current salary projections can yield good first-year returns, thus justifying the student rating of 4.3 for value for money. Various scholarships are awarded to students, which can also be availed by directly applying through the online portals. The infrastructure has been given a rating of 4.4 stars. Established as a university in the year 2010, Chitkara started as an educational trust in 2002. The campus is well connected, making it easily accessible to all major cities of Punjab. There is a separate department for MBA in dedicated labs, spacious fully air-conditioned classrooms and computer system facilities with Wi-Fi connectivity. Laptops are provided to students based on their course requirements. A dedicated cafeteria operates in the campus premises, offering a food menu with diverse options. Students have access to both indoor and outdoor sports including cricket, badminton, hockey, volleyball and basketball. Moving on to faculty and course curriculum with a rating of 4.4 stars. Most of the faculty at the B School are PhD holders or MBA graduates with expertise in their respective fields. The course follows a module system where the student needs to study 2 subjects per month and secure a passing percentage of minimum 33%. Interestingly, the Chitkara Innovation Incubator near Rajiv Gandhi IT Park, Chandigarh, supports a diverse range of startups since 2013, spanning agri-tech, health tech, edtech, SaaS, fintech, and more. Switching gears to campus life with a rating of 4.4 stars by students. Chitkara Business School has an apex student body that conducts all department-related activities ranging from photography and creative writing to group discussions and billboard-making competitions. DJ nights are organized twice a month. Theatre and inter-university fests are the most awaited on campus. Chitkara Business School experienced a dip in its rank from 54 in 2021 to 80 in 2022, but made a remarkable comeback, climbing up by 16 spots in 2023. For more details on Chitkara Business School and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.